Should you stop moaning? What do I mean, stop moaning and get on with it? Why? Who cares? Or are you just moaning? Really? Stop moaning now. Here's why. So what do I mean by stop moaning and get on with it? Well, firstly, I want to apologise about this pantomime of shadows behind me. Long story, too dull to explain why, but there's lights and things and shadows on the wall. So enough said that I'm recording this on my phone. It's balanced on my camera because, as a cunning pro tip for all you vloggers out there, don't forget your memory card that you put in your phone. It's still connected to the computer. Genius. So shooting on the phone, there we go. Shit happens. That's life. So what do I mean by stop moaning, get on with it? Well, it's simply that. Basically, so easy. People, maybe you, and sometimes me, so easily just kind of whine and moan and complain about things, and always kind of find a problem to every solution rather than just do it. So it may be, okay, I want to start a business. I want to tidy my room. Happy days, tidy your room. But then, it's too cold, or I'm hungry. Excuse me. And all kind of random excuses as to why you can't do that thing. And actually, really, JFDI, just do it. And it's very, very easy, just always come. And the classic thing is, if you want to do something, you'll do it. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Simple as. But it's very, very easy to just moan, whine about things. And yet you don't actually do anything to change them. If there's things that you don't like doing, or there's things that you don't like in your life, whether it's job, hobbies, people, whatever, don't just complain about it. They're kind of almost like shape up or ship out. Or, to be blunt, shit or get off the pot. Basically, if you don't like something, change it or stop moaning about it. Don't just constantly moan about something. Just get on with it and do it. Now, I've been very, very guilty of this many, many times, and I'm sure you have, whereby there's something and you just kind of, and you just kind of easily fall into that complainy type mode where you just moan about something. And yet, actually, if you stop moaning about it and spend all the energy and effort that you spent moaning on changing it, it would change very, very, very easily. And so it's obvious, but it's very easy to fall into. And often this comes in like workplaces where you've got people who may not be the same mindset of you. They might not want to sort of change their life and that kind of thing. And very easy, it's people kind of just moan about stuff. That's standard, whether it's at lunch or break or whatever, around the water cooler, etc. And that kind of moaning, it's easy to kind of fall into that because you want to follow the conversation, and it happens to me. And people go, oh well, this happens. Oh, management do this, and you kind of easy to find yourself being sort of dragged into this conversation about whatever and all the problems. And as I said before, so many people find a problem to every solution, whereby they just moan about stuff. They don't ever do anything about it and just complain. Whereas if you're not unhappy, keep doing it. Happy days. If you're not happy with something, change it. And easier said than done, I know, but stop moaning about it, because what's that achieving? One, it's bringing you down, bringing other people down, and the situation's still exactly the same. There's nothing has changed. So today's vlog is literally about that. Stop moaning and just do it. Simple. There's nothing more to be said, really. It's that simple. Nice short vlog today. Obviously, the interesting puppet show. I'm trying to make a rabbit here. Let's see if I can get... That's not even... Look, there's a rabbit, but it's like a hand. A hand rabbit. A habit. Yeah, forget that. Anyway, just stop moaning and just do it. So hopefully you got a little bit of value from this very, very, very short vlog today. Shot on a phone. iPhone. It's the future. Forget Samsung. Just saying. And if you have, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell notification. And for now, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.